So now in this session today, we'll study about vectors basically. Okay. So how the class will be, first I'll tell you a little about vectors, and based on whatever I say, I'll be giving you questions. Okay. Those questions you have to, whoever finds the answer to those questions, he or she has to message me the answer. Okay. As soon as you do the question, you message me the answer. Fine. So vectors. And after that, after we have done something, we have learned something, we'll be doing the questions of JEE Mains 2019. Okay. January session, we'll be doing few questions based on whatever we learned today. Okay. So try to do them and try to assess yourself whether whatever you have learned today. Okay. So that is very important. So vectors, as we know, it has both magnitude as well as direction. Okay. So a vector is represented by an arrow like this. Okay. An arrow. So this is exactly this way. This is the direction. This is one vector. This is another vector. All the vectors, they are having some direction. Okay. These are all vectors.
You can see.
Okay. And the length of the arrow tells me about the magnitude. Okay. So these two vectors, let's say these two vectors, they are parallel to each other, but the red one is longer than the black one. Okay. So that means the magnitude of the red one, the red vector, is more than the black vector. Let's say this is two units something. Okay. It can be, and the unit again, so the about the units and dimensions we'll learn about when we see the chapters of units and dimension. In fact, after this class, we'll be having another session in which we'll be dealing about the units and dimension. That is the first thing. But in this session, we are taking up vectors. Okay. After this session, we'll be having a session on unit and dimension. Okay. So you can join that as well. Okay. So 2 units, maybe it can be any vector, force, velocity, momentum, whatever. Okay. 2 units. And let's say this is 10 units of some vector, maybe force, newtons or meter per second, velocity, whatever. So they both are in the same direction. They are parallel vectors. Okay. Parallel in the same direction. So the direction for the two vectors are same, but the magnitude are different. Okay. Fine. And you can move a vector anywhere in the space. So what I mean by that this vector, let's say this vector, if I make a vector like this of the same length anywhere, you can pick it and take it anywhere in the space, but keeping it parallel to this original vector. The direction must be the same. Otherwise, you can move the vector anywhere in the space. Okay. So a vector can be moved parallel to itself anywhere. The vector will not change. It will be the same vector because the vector has two components. One is the magnitude and the direction. You are not changing the length of the vector and you are not changing the direction as well. You are keeping the vector parallel, right? So you can move it. Fine. Now, like I told that suppose there is a balance like this. Okay. So there is a balance. You put 5 kilograms mass and then 10 kilograms mass. Okay. The total will be 15, right? Simply you have to scalar addition, 5 plus 10, that is 15. So this is how we add scalars. But same is not the case with vectors. Why? Because suppose this is the east direction and this is the north direction. East, north, south, west, they are in horizontal direction. Okay. So this north is not vertically up or down. Okay. This is like east, north, south, west in the horizontal direction. Okay. Now suppose I say that a boy moves towards east about with 2 meters. Okay. And the boy originally was here at the origin. Let's say this was the origin. Let's say he moves towards the east 2 meters and towards the north he moves, let's say 5 meters. Okay. So the total movement, the total displacement, can I say it is 2 plus 5? No, it is not 2 plus 5 simply. It depends upon which direction is the displacement. All the displacements are in which direction. We can't say simply that 2 plus 5, 7. No. So there is a way how we add vectors, right? In this case, in this particular case, I'll say 5 square plus 4, so 4 square root, that is root 29. So this is the displacement, that is not 5 plus 2, right? So there is a way we add vectors.